I just finished doing the upgrades to my second Aventon Ramblas, and I think I went overboard. Here, let me show you. When Aventon came out with the Ramblas, I tell you what, I fell in love with the bike. I had the original one, the Borealis, the green one, for a while, did a bunch of upgrades to it, and I said if I like those upgrades, I was going to upgrade the second one that I purchased, which is called the Aura Borealis. Get it? Purple to green. Yeah, I get it too. Well, either way, I ended up wanting to do different upgrades to this one than I did the original one, and man, did I go overboard. Let's start off with the front of the bike. I added the Fox Float 34 Factory 29 Fit 4 OE fork from 2023. It has 140 millimeters of travel, and it costs $549. I went onto Groundkeeper and designed my own custom Fox 34 decal. It cost $37. Then I added the PF1 front mountain bike guard. It was 20 bucks on Amazon. For the cockpit, I added the Wolf Tooth Anodized Bling kit. It's only $34 on Amazon. These are my favorite grips. I have put them on all of my mountain bikes. They are from Trail One. They're called the Hell's Gate grips, and they're only $27 on Amazon. I wanted to go tubeless, so I ended up purchasing the Hunt wheels. I got them on sale for only $288. On the front, I added the Maxxis Minion DHF. They're 29 by 2.5. 3CG Eco Plus. I got them on Amazon for $93. I went ahead and added some purple stem valves. They're 40 millimeter. I got them on Amazon for only $15. While checking out on the Hunt website, it asked me, do I want to add crush cores to the order? I said yes, and it added $149 per set. I decided to go wireless with my dropper seat post. So this is a Fox Transfer Neo 31.6 by 150 millimeter dropper seat post and controller. It cost me $860. This is the WTB Pure Saddle. I got it for $68 on Amazon. I have put this on both of my Ramblases. The pedals are by PDX. They're G11. They cost $79 on Amazon. Since I went wireless with the dropper seat post, I went ahead and went wireless with the transmission as well. This is the SRAM GX Eagle AXS upgrade kit. It was $568. It comes with this 2-button control pad with this top button here taking you up in gear and this bottom one taking you down in gear. But you can get on the SRAM app and actually change how these buttons work. On the rear, I added the Maxxis Aggressor. It's 29 by 2.5. It has the double down sidewalls on it to give me that extra strength. And I got it on Amazon for only $98. When it comes to the tire sealant, well, of course, I went with the FlatOut Sportsman Edition. I know that's not common for this, but that product has not done me wrong yet. And it was only 20 bucks on Amazon. Now I know what you're wondering. How much did all of this cost? And I know you're gonna come at me in the comments going, holy cow, you spent too much. But in the beginning of the video, I said I went a little bit out of control. I spent $2,905 in parts, about $150 in labor to get all of this together, which means I spent $3,055. Now I'm going to leave all the links to everything down in the description below. Also, if you are interested in the Ramblas only costs what, $2,900. So I spent more in parts than I have on the bike. And I know, I get it. I know you could have spent that much on a full suspension one, but I already have one of those and it's hanging on my wall in my office. I just love the Ramblas, and these are the upgrades that I wanted to do on it. Now, if you want to see the upgrades that I did to my original Ramblas, which are some are the same, some are different, well, you can see that right here. I am dying to get this bike out on the trails, but as you guys can see, it is winter here in Chicago, so I'm gonna have to wait until spring. So until then, I want to thank you for watching. And until I see you again, enjoy the ride.